We'll guide you through how to fix your PS5 not turning on. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. And make sure you watch this full video so you know all the different things you can try. The first thing I would recommend you do is try plugging your PS5 straight into the wall. I know a lot of people use sort of power extenders and things like that. So try plugging it straight into the wall. And once you've done that, try turning on your PS5. And also, it may be worth checking that the wall outlet is working. So plug another device in maybe and see if it's working. If you're sure it's all working, then what you want to do is try turning on your PS5 again. If it still isn't working, then what you want to do is go and spin the PS5 around like this. And you want to go and unplug everything that's plugged into it. So go and unplug, the HDMI, and of course the main thing being the power as well. And then what you want to do is once you've unplugged everything, is you just want to go and let your PS5 sit for around a minute. You just let everything drain out. After that minute has passed, then reconnect everything in again. Now you can try turning on your PS5 again and see if it will now work. If it still doesn't seem to be working, then what you should try doing is just pressing the power button multiple times. So just click it in a few times, just in case it's sticking or for some reason it's not registering. So make sure you have pushed it like a few times. Try putting in a disc, whether that be a game or a movie, because when you try and put a disc in, the PS5 should automatically turn on. So I've just got a DVD here. So what I'm going to do is just go and sort of roll it in as you usually would, and your PS5 should turn on like that, and then it will sort of roll the disc in, and that should go and turn it on. So in a moment, it should go and start up on my screen just like so, and that might be a solution for you. Now, if you find that your PS5 is turning on, but nothing is displaying on your screen, then what we need to do is go into safe mode. To do that, you need to make sure your PS5 is completely shut down. So hold on the power button on the front. And if you're still unsure, you may need to just turn it off at the wall, unplug it or something. And then what you want to do is hold the power button like so. You'll hear the first beep and you keep holding it. And shortly you're going to go and hear another beep. And that will signify that you're going into safe mode, like that. And now just wait, and then it will go and say connect the controller using the USB cable. So if you're seeing this, this means your PS5 is working. There's just a problem with booting into the software. And what you'll need to do is go and connect your controller. So I'll just go and plug it in like so, using the charging cable, and then hold the PlayStation button, and here we are. So what you want to do is try changing the video output. That is one reason you're getting a black screen. So go into here, and then click on change resolution, then press OK. It will take a moment to go and restart. It will restart and you'll need to press the PlayStation button on the controller again. And then what you want to do is try these different video resolutions here and see which ones work. So click it, for example, automatic. And if you still see a black screen, turn off your PS5 again and go back into safe mode and then try, say, 720p and see if that works. If it still doesn't, back to safe mode and 1080i, then 1080p. If it works, then fantastic. It was just a resolution problem. If you're finding that it still isn't working though, then go back to safe mode. And what you can try doing is coming down to clear cache and rebuild database. Click there and you can try clearing the software cache in case for some reason it just needs to be refreshed in order to boot properly. And if that still hasn't solved the problem, then it may be worth resetting your entire PS5. This is of course quite a last resolution, but there is obviously something wrong with your system software. So resetting it all may go and fix the problem, but you will lose everything, which is why it's sort of a last resort. If after doing that, you still can't get your PS5 to work, or it's still not even getting anything on your screen, or it's not even turning on, then you'll probably need to go and get in contact with Sony or PlayStation to get your system fixed. But hopefully one of the methods in this video worked for you. If they did, please leave a like.